How to find hotspot password on Android. If any day any of you are an Android user and you are just enabling your hotspot so that all of your other next friends could also use the internet connection on their very mobile devices or any of the other devices, but you do not know your WhatsApp hotspot password out there, then what you can do, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then you have to search settings. After you set settings here, now you have to go to the next option, that is of connections. After tapping in connection, now you can see an interface like this. On the down portion, you can see the option of mobile hotspot and tethering. Now you have to tap on that. After that, you have to enable mobile hotspot like this. However, one thing you have to remember is whenever you enable the mobile hotspot, your very Wi-Fi will be disabled because it can be only turned when your data is on. Therefore, after you turn off your very Wi-Fi like this, you have to tap on the mobile hotspot, and here on the downside you can see your network name, your password and your band and all of the information that you want. So this is the way on how you can see your hotspot password on your very Android. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.